Miss Medeiros in the house, Shanna.
Oh,
I reached out to Josh before we met Adam. Who's Adam?
I don't know.
Knifer.
Oh, Adam. Oh, timing didn't work out, but we would have been cool.
Yeah, that's right. She did. She reached out. She messaged. Yeah, she messaged me and was like, "Hey, Justin is. I think he was coming home from school or something, and we tried to connect and make it work to him to come down to San Diego to train.
Before he was the champ.
Yeah, before he was the champ. Yeah.
Little prepubescent Medeiros. Wow.
Which I competed against Justin. His first individual where he wasn't a teen was at the SoCal regional or California regional. I can't remember what year it was. Probably California regional at that time. And I just remember like one of my funny stories about Justin is we were doing the triple threes, which was 3K row, 300 double unders, 3 mile run. And we go down to we get corralled and we were in the same heat. Me and Justin, it was the first event. And I looked down at the dude and he's wearing Metcons. And I'm like, you're going to fucking run 3 miles in Metcons? He's like, that's all I got. I'm like, I fucking like this guy. I was like, fuck yeah.
What should he even been wearing? What should he?
It was a running workout, right? So like I wore a running shoe for that workout, and a Metcon is not a good running shoe. They are like duck feet. Like I feel like you're wearing flippers when you're running in those things. And he was a young gun. I had no idea who he was. I didn't know he did I've never paid attention to the teens divisions really. And so I had no idea that he did well in the teen division, but I was like, oh man, never seen his face before. So just had to give him a little shit, back there. Be like, oh, Metcons, huh? Well, you think that's a good idea? But he fucking handled it well, man. He fucking went out hard. He didn't qualify that year, but he
would have if he would have been wearing running shoes. Rads. No way, rads are heavy as fuck. Finally, people love rads. I've only heard good things about rads. Rads are not heavy.
They're not heavy. They are. I've only worn Reeboks, Nikes. I've never put on a pair of Nobles.
That's why your testosterone's so high.
Exactly. But rads have become my favorite.
No shit. Mm-hmm. Over a Nano too?
Yes.
Wow.
That's a bold statement. I know.
That's
the Nano 2 is like everyone's favorite.
God.
I like the Metcon 1 and 2 more than the Nano 2.
I couldn't even fit my foot in the Metcon. I can't even get my wide little stomper in there.
Bullshit.
Dude.
My foot's way wider than yours.
Dude, I can't get my dick in your mouth and I can't get my fucking foot in a fucking.
Now we know you're lying, pal. Put that this ain't a fucking OnlyFans, dude. Put that thing away.
That thing is wider than it is long.
I have those too, man. I have square feet. Yeah.
So coaching. Medeiros. I want to go back to Medeiros. What do you think about the kid? Two wins.
Mm-hmm.
Now already like one of the greatest who's ever done it. With 2 wins.
Yeah.
And then a 7th.
I mean, anytime anybody wins the games, they're gonna be one of the greatest ever done it, right?
Right. Good. Fair enough. Yeah. But 2 is crazy, right? Yeah. Also doing some clutch shit in the final day, keeping it interesting.
And winning Rogue. I mean, fucking winning Rogue is, God, in my eyes, it is just as big as winning the games.
Explain that to me, and then we'll come back to Justin. Explain that to me.
I mean, you win the Rogue Invitational, you're competing against the best of the best.
Right.
And so like it's just as impressive as winning the games.
Fewer chances for errors.
Yeah. Less workouts, fewer chance. You can't have any mess ups. And it's it's what 3 months post games, right? So you still have to kind of continue that. You don't really get to take much downtime, and continue on and keep staying very fit. So, and he's won that now twice.